problem on Dahua. Okay, so when you log into the main menu through the NVR or through IP address, you get this screen. Once you get there, we have to go to the settings. Inside setting, there is camera option. Other options that you have as network, storage, system, security, and account. So the camera is related to all your IP cameras integrated into your NVR. Network is to connect your device to the mobile network DHCP configuration and the QR code for the mobile app. Storage is your hard disk. System is like date and time and other information kind of stuff. Security is it's inbuilt security of the NVR different sections. We mostly don't touch that one. Account is to change your password and those kind of stuff. Today we're going inside the camera. Okay, so inside camera you have the camera list, one option, and next to this one is update. Okay, so on this section click on the update, camera update, and check the status. My one is already updated to the current version whatever this camera support, so that's why you think pending automatically. If your camera has any update available, then over here you'll see status check. Once you check your version, current version, and the available update version, uh, down at the bottom you have online updates over here. Okay, once you click online update, the camera will start updating one by one. In my case there is no update available, so I couldn't show you the update, but that's the procedure to follow. So this will solve any camera whitening problem. So many of my clients they say, okay, one of the camera is going white during the day, nighttime is working fine, but daytime, that's basically the sensor is not triggered, so it is not finding whether it's daytime or nighttime. It's always working on the night mode. That's why during the day it's going blind like all. Okay, so once we do that update, it automatically fixes, and that's the common solution. If you don't know how to follow this step, and if you want to give a quick solution like a temp solution to fix the issue, is simply reboot. Okay, go to this icon here, click on reboot, so your recorder will be rebooted and this camera automatically will be detecting, or the sensor what which was idle will be active. Alrighty, thank you everyone watching for this video, and don't forget to uh, subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up.